Hi, I'm Miss Dara and I'm from the Rogers Public Library.
Hi guys, it's Miss Mayra.
So today we're going to make slime. Every Friday this summer we're going to have a program called Sublime Slime, and you can find that program on the Facebook page or on YouTube. So today we're going to make slime.
Yay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
So the first thing we want to do when we're making slime is get some glue. So you can use a lot of different kinds of glue. Today I picked Elmer's color changing glue. It's a new kind.
And I'm going to use metallic glue.
So let's see how this works. So the first thing you want to do is get your glue. Well, you have to have a bowl and a spoon. That's very important. So get your glue, and we want to dump this in there. And it's hard to get it all out, so just do the best you can. Squeeze it and shake it in there. How's yours coming?
It's a little hard. I'm getting it.
All right. Well, I think I'm about to give up. If you really want to get it all out, you can set your bottle upside down in your bowl for a while and let it sit, and that'll help. But we're just going to get out as much as we can. So, all right, you got yours?
Yes.
I think I got as much as I can get out of mine.
Okay, I think that's...
Okay, and the one thing about this glue is we're not going to use food coloring. So if you use regular glue, you need to use food coloring. But this doesn't get on your hands and make your hands sticky or like color your hands or your table or anything. So that's kind of nice. So you have your glue in your bowl. This glue is really, really thick. So we want to add some water to it. So this is just plain water. So I'm just going to add a tablespoon of water to mine. Do you want to add water to yours? And stir that in.
Wow, mine's super pretty.
I love this color. So it gets all like smoother, as you can see, runnier. Okay, so is yours about ready?
Yes.
Okay, so next thing we want to add is our scent. I like it when slime smells good, don't you?
Yes. I got strawberry scent.
Mine is blueberry because my color changing slime changes from blue to purple, so I thought blueberry was a good. It smells so good. And you just put some in there, however much you want it to smell, and stir that in.
Ooh, mine smells super good. Ooh.
Mine does too. It's really, really, really good. I can smell your strawberry from over there. Okay, so then we have to add our activator. So our activator, I just have liquid starch. I get Stay Flow liquid starch, and we're going to add 1/8 of a cup, which is about half of this measuring cup. Pour it in there, and we're going to stir that up. So while I'm stirring, we need to go over some slime rules. So I know you guys that have been to slime class or even to my STEAM class know my library slime rules, but there are some that apply at home too. So one of our slime rules is we don't want to put it in our hair. That would be really hard to get out. So we don't put it in our hair. Do you have a slime rule?
Be careful, don't put it on your clothes.
Don't put it on your clothes. As you notice, I'm wearing an apron because I get it on my clothes a lot.
Me too.
So then another slime rule that we have is you don't want to put it on other things like books or in your carpet because it's hard to get out. But for all the parents and grandparents and anybody else that's helping your kids make slime, if you get slime anywhere, vinegar will take it out. You just kind of soak it in vinegar and then just scrub it and it'll take it out. Or some more putty type slimes, or if you put Model Magic in your slime, you can use peroxide to take it out. So as you see, mine is getting where it's starting to pull away from the side. So you just touch it, and if you can touch it without it sticking to you, then you can get it out and work with it with your hands. Mine is not quite there. I'm just going to use my tablespoon and put a tablespoon of liquid starch more in here, just to make sure that it's not too sticky. And you just kind of stir that in there.
That helped mine. It's coming together now.
So after you play with slime, you always want to make sure you wash your hands, because in case something affects your hands, you don't want it to get a rash or something. Liquid starch isn't as bad as like if you use borax, but it still might make your hands. Okay, so mine actually is coming together pretty good.
Mine's still a little sticky, so I'm gonna add more.
Well, your hands are warmer than mine. My hands are always cold, but like little kids' hands often are really warm, and the warmth changes the viscosity of slime, which viscosity means it changes like the texture of the slime, so it makes it stickier. So, see mine, once it gets where it's not sticking to your hands, you can just start working it. And mine is a little clumpy right now, but that's just because I need to work it all in together. How's yours?
It's pretty sticky.
All right. Well, mine actually is pretty good.
I think that if you touch it, it will be really good, but since my hands are really warm, it's sticking on me. So,
well, if you have slime that's really sticky and you need something extra to make it not sticky, you can add Model Magic. Do you have Model Magic over there?
I do.
And you just open that up and mix that in there, and it will kind of take away the stickiness of the slime. So that's really good if you're doing kids slime. So this summer in Sublime Slime, we're going to make all kinds of different slimes, and some of them are going to be harder, especially clear slimes are going to be harder for little kids to make without being sticky. So, but they'll all be fun anyway.
Yep.
So we made this is my color changing slime. It's kind of nice. I made one earlier in this bowl. It's just purple. And do you want to touch this?
Okay, so it's purple.
But where she touches it, it turns a nice pink.
Because my hands are super warm.
Let's see. Do you want to touch this one and see if it's... It didn't change. So it may just be that I'm too warm. So we'll just have to work with this one and see if it changes. But I had lots of fun. What about you?
I had a lot of fun.
All right, well, be sure and join us for Sublime Slime every Friday, and we will make a different kind of slime each week. Bye-bye.
Bye.